Hi, friends. My name is Toni Cureton. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Life Skills FYI. Life Skills FYI provides a set of core adult capabilities to manage work, family, and relationships successfully. It's designed to help build the skills adults need for life. Life Skills FYI teaches skills of planning, awareness, focus, self-control, and flexibility. They are daily living skills to promote successful independent living, skills that every adult should know but were never taught in school. Life Skills FYI premieres on Thursdays at 10 a.m. on our My Virtual Academy Facebook page. Today, we are going to talk about how to make saving money a fun challenge. So, are you tired of pinching pennies? Sometimes being frugal can be a real drag, which can make you lose your motivation and give up. Did you know that you can make saving money and living within your means fun and exciting instead of monotonous and stressful? Keep your spirits and your savings high by making saving money a fun challenge. Not sure how to start? Well, today I will share a few saving games that you can use to help you get started. First, a how much game. Make it a game to see how much money you can make in a week or in a month. Step up your side gig or start one if you don't have one. Put in a few extra hours by taking a part-time job. Offer to run errands for a friend or a neighbor for a small fee. You could offer to help someone organize or clean or sell some crafts and watch your savings grow. See how much money you can reduce your set expenses by calling around. Can you trim some money from your insurance premium by changing your deductible or by tweaking your coverage amount? Contact your provider to see if you are getting the best rate possible. Check cell phone, cable, and internet plans to see how to get the services you want for the lowest possible price. Sometimes you can get a discount rate just by calling the company and asking them. How much money can you save in a week? Reread your favorite book instead of buying a new one, or watch an older DVD instead of streaming the newest movie that's out. Try to recreate a recipe for your favorite morning beverage or bakery treat instead of buying it. Next is a how little game. How little can you spend on essentials for a day, a week, or a month? See how little you can spend on gas by reducing your car travel or by bundling errands. Try making your lunch instead of dining out. Reducing the number of your streaming networks can save you a ton. Check sales and coupons for savings on things that you must buy, like food and toiletries. Can you substitute another product that you have on hand already for something that you may be out of? For example, you can use coconut oil to remove makeup, and you can substitute baking soda in the place of toothpaste if you happen to run out. Try to follow the old adage where it says, use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without. Next is the how long game. See how long you can make a product last. Is it possible to get additional days or weeks from the products that you use by using the correct measurements from the instructions? That tube of toothpaste or a bottle of dish detergent or another week from your shampoo could save you tons. How long can you go without non-essential services? Try to stretch the time between the barber and beauty shop. For example, do your own hair by watching YouTube videos. Experiment with accessories like braids or hats or different hairstyles to extend the time between your styling sessions. How long can you go without buying something? Can you make your groceries last another few days? Get creative with your recipes. Lots of things make wonderful fillings for omelets. Use up those frozen or canned vegetables in a soup or a stew. Casseroles are great for finishing up a half a box of rice or leftover entrees. Next, you can play the how low game. How low can you get your utility bills? Can you adjust the thermostat lower in your winter or higher in the summer to lower your energy bills? Shut off lights with multiple bulbs and use task-specific lighting to reduce your electric bill. Take shorter showers to cut your water bill. All of these games can be adapted to your particular situation. None of these games involve complicated methods of saving money. In fact, you may have heard many of these tips before. Each of these games is really less about specific frugal techniques and more about changing your attitude towards saving money. Just remember, attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. No matter what your reasoning is for wanting to save money, whether it is by necessity or by choice, you have the ability to control your attitude. By looking at these money-saving techniques that I've shared with you as a series of games and challenges, you can make saving money and living within your means fun and exciting instead of monotonous and stressful. The choice is up to you. Well, friends, that is all my time for today. Thanks so much for tuning in to Life Skills FYI. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My number is 586-842-0558. That's 586-842-0558. Again, my name is Toni Cureton. Thanks so much for tuning in, and always remember to adult responsibly.